Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
About 2 hours. The routine maintenance will take place for about 2 hours at 10:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. based on your local time zone. You'll still be able to sign into PSN, play games, and use most applications during the downtime.
Take our lead.
Sony's PlayStation 3 console is officially discontinued worldwide as of today, the 30th of May 2017. While the console saw its last shipments to the United States and Europe in October 2016, Sony continued to sell the console in Japan and surrounds while its last remaining warehouse stock sold out.
Take our lead.
In many cases, resolving the sign-in failure to the PlayStation Network can be just by setting the automatic login to the PS4. Head to Settings and choose the User option. Go to Login Settings and tick the box labeled, Log in PS4 automatically. Now, restart your PlayStation then try to sign in to the PSN.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.